Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I made this grand burrito, this big, huge, mother load burrito. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, we're going to start by putting the hamburger meat into this processor. Put all the hamburger meat in here. Guys, garlic mist, put in there. Tablespoon of paprika, smoked paprika. Half a teaspoon of dry mustard. 1 teaspoon of garlic or chili powder. A teaspoon of celery salt. Spoon of salt. I know it's a lot of salt, but you need 1 teaspoon of onion salt. Yeah, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And I have 1 egg put in there. A whole guacamole put in with it. Put it on it. You want to get this in a big old pot, not big pot, but a little pot here. And I know it looks like refried beans or something, but trust me, when it gets cooking, it'll look a lot better. Anyways, get started on it. Put that right there. We'll get all brown. Cook a pinch of thyme leaves in with all this. Just a pinch. And then we'll give it a good mix. Trying not to get my camera too close for the fog will take over the lens. Okay, that'll be about good enough. Meat's done. Our taco burrito is ready. And we're going to start preparing our burrito. First things first, we're going to put the cheese down. Put it like that. Much better. Up there, 2. 1 more. Put the hamburger down over it. Okay, now we're going to put the Rocca Cheetos on it. A bit more creamier guacamole put on it as well. A little bit of chips on it. Corn chips for a little bit of crunch. Some Kobe Jack on the top of it. Okay, we're going to fold this up like that. That nice, delicious burrito. This is delicious. We have got to do a taste test on this. It's almost too heavy. Oh my God, that's heavy. God, it's weighs 100 pounds. That is so delicious. God, that's so good. That is delicious. Anyways, subscribe my channel. If you do subscribe my channel, hit that notification bell so you can get more notifications of my videos. I have amazing videos about. Anyway, thank y'all for watching.